for today's video we will be going through the acid rain and its effects. So first of all we'll see that what is the acid rain and how it occurs. So as we know that the burning of the fossil fuel, due to the burning of the fossil fuel means like our petrols and our plastics, when it burns it releases the sulfur and nitrogen oxide. Okay, that releases sulfur and nitrogen oxide. So when the in the atmosphere we know that, so then the sulfur is being converted into sulfuric acid, means SO2 is being then converted into H2SO4 by the rain. This is the process that is occurring naturally by the rain. So while when the rain is like falling, so this process is occurring due to the like these all are the gases that are coming from the industries, and it is stored at the level at the like the layer. These all gases is stored at the layer of the atmosphere and then fall when the water from the clouds come down. So while here NOx is also, it is like I don't remember, let me write. I guess it's a like particle matter. It's a type of a particle matter that is being converted into HNO2. This is being converted into HNO2 and HNO3 by again the means of the water. So these are very harmful substances when they are being converted. So then we know that when they are converted, so our rainwater is now acidic. We know that the water is always neutral, but due to these the pH of the acid is being the pH of the water is being now changed 5.6 to 6, and we know that this acid water is on the land is become acidic in the result this is become now acidic. So this is due to the harmful substances that are being dissolved in the air pollutant, and then after some time this pH is dropped to normal, that is 4. Okay, it's not like normal, but it's like somehow decrease. Okay, so now the acid rain, the main cause of the acid rain is due to the pollutants. What? It is due to the air pollutants. Now if we talk about that what are the air pollutants, so air pollutants can be I'm writing over here that what can be the air pollutant. So air pollutant can be the sulfur and sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. So these, like the conversion of these are very harmful due to this when the rain occurs, so the acidic rain is being produced in the nature. So let us see what are the effects of it. So the basic effect is that like whenever the rain is falling, so the rain is like that rain is converting it, like it is dissolving the all the metals, like I'm writing aluminium and Hg. So these all are the metals from the soil and the rock that are being like discharged in the lakes and the rivers. Okay, rivers. So now here we know that in the river the aquatic life or the marine life will be disturbed when this type of the water will be in the lakes and the river. Like this is the kind of the iron water, the concentration of the aluminium is very high in this water, so the fishes will get suffocate and they will not like breathe, so it will destroy the life of the fishes they will not breathe, they will die. Okay, so due to this they will die. But also, like, if we will drink this water, for example, we are taking this water, what type of water, like from which source we are getting the water? We are getting the water from the lakes and these rivers, and we know that when the rain is falling, so it will contain the high amount of aluminium ions in the water in the lake. So that water and the lakes water we are drinking in our daily life, so that these metal will build the level of hazardous substance in our body. So it is very harmful for our body too, but it will it will contain a lot of concentration of ammonium ion, as I told you, and high concentration of these metals will harm our body. So we know that as this water is the source by which we are taking from the lakes and the rivers, so we are taking it and we are drinking it, so that is very harmful for our body as well. So this is why this was the first fact that acid rain affected. Second up is that acid rain eat all the calcium carbonates. It eat all the calcium carbonate. I will tell you how. Calcium carbonate. So, like, see, uh, did you ever notice that when the rain is falling and the color of your house is shedding out? Why this is? Because it is just because of the acid rain. The color is being shed just because of the acid rain. Okay, so it can destroy, it can create the mess in the architects, like it can destroy many of the structure of the monuments, and the structure can be uh, destroy due to that. Like the calcium carbonate, acid rain will always eat the calcium carbonate that is present in the marbles. So when the marble will destroy, so obviously the structure of the building, it will also destroy. So that is why acid rain is not very good for the walls and the structure. Next up, when the rain will be falling, so obviously it will be falling in the crops and these type of areas, the agriculture area as well. So this acidic rain will make our soil acidic, and again it will harm the animals as well as us. Many of the crops and plants are unable to then thrive in this condition, means they will unable to, they'll not live, they will die, means many of the animal will not be survive in this type of the condition, as the rising level of the hazardous metals in the soil will be increased, so that will damage our plants as well as disturb the life of the animals, because as we know that the animals and the trees are being eaten by many of the cows and goats, so it will destroy that as well, and it will increase the acidity of the soil. So then again our new crops and then these type of substances will not grow easily, will require many of the fertilizer, and it will be very expensive. So that is why acid rain is harmful.